First, prepare the vehicle for moving off. Once you have completed the cockpit drill, make sure that the parking brake is applied and that the gear selector is in the neutral position, then start the engine. Press the clutch pedal all the way down to disengage the transmission and select the first gear. Use your right foot to gently press the gas pedal without lifting your heel off the ground. Press the pedal until the engine RPM is around 1500 and keep your foot still. Meanwhile, slowly lift your left foot off the clutch pedal until you feel that the vehicle is about to move forward, indicating that you have reached the biting point. You will notice a slight change in the engine sound and RPM. Hold your feet still at this point and proceed to the observation stage. In the observe stage, you make sure that it is safe to move off. Start by looking over your right shoulder to check the blind spot, go through the right mirror and the front windscreen, and include the rear view mirror and then look into the left mirror. Finally, look over your left shoulder to cover that blind spot area. Repeat the observation stage until you are sure that you will not cause any other road users to change their speed or direction when you move off. Start the last stage of the POM routine by indicating left and release the handbrake whilst still keeping your right foot on the gas pedal. Gradually release the clutch pedal until you have completely lifted your foot off. Press the gas pedal more if required to reach your desired speed. Steer the car away from any obstructions, and then cancel the signal and run parallel to the curb and at about 1 meter away from it. Follow the prepare, observe, move routine to stop the car safely. You will need to ensure that you stop somewhere safe, legal and convenient to park so as not to create a hazard to other road users. For example, do not park on or near a bend or junctions or inside a roundabout. Remember that parking in a second row or where you prevent a parked car from leaving is a serious and dangerous traffic violation. Always make sure that the place where you intend to park is designated for parking. Once you have chosen a convenient place to park, check your rear view and right mirrors to ensure that it is safe to begin the maneuver. Indicate to the right and steer the car to approach the curb and parallel to it. Gradually slow down by taking your right foot off the gas pedal and using it to gradually apply the brakes. Use your left foot to push the clutch pedal all the way down. Keep your feet on the clutch and brake pedals until you come to a complete stop. Apply the handbrake. Select neutral and cancel the turning signal. You may now lift your feet off the brake and clutch pedals.